but private jobs have more pressure. In a government job, you have fixed working hours and more stability in life.
Still, in private job, you can earn more and sometimes travel around the world. It depends on how ambitious you are.
That's fantastic. Government jobs are secure and give peace of mind, but private jobs give more opportunities and faster growth. It depends on a person's choice and goals.
And even work in international companies.
But government jobs.
So today we are conducting one more hot debate. There are two excellent participants. They will discuss a very interesting topic. Which is better, a private job or a government job? So let's hear from both sides. So first of all, please introduce yourself and tell me which one you are in favor of.
My name is Ammar Khan and I am in favor of private jobs.
If you watch my videos, you know very well I am Afifa Jannat and today I am in favor of government jobs.
So Afifa, as you are favoring government jobs, so tell me why you are favoring government jobs.
I think government jobs are better because they are more secure. Once you get a government job, you don't have to worry much about losing it.
That's fantastic. Ammar?
But in private job, you can grow faster. If you work hard, you can get promotions quickly and even higher salaries.
That's fantastic.
That's true, but government jobs give many benefits like pension, medical facilities, and job security till retirement.
Lovely. Ammar?
Yes, but private jobs give more exposure. You can learn new skills, work with new technologies, and even work in international companies.
That's fantastic.
Maybe, but private jobs have more pressure. In a government job, you have fixed working hours and more stability in life.
Lovely. Ammar?
Still, in private job, you can earn more and sometimes travel around the world. It depends on how ambitious you are.
That's fantastic. That's wonderful actually.
Sir Bhaiya, what's your take?
I think both are good. Government jobs are secure and give peace of mind, but private jobs give more opportunities and faster growth. It depends on a person's choice and goals. So Afifa and Ammar, that was an excellent discussion. We learned that government jobs give freedom and security and stability and benefits, while private jobs give growth, opportunities, and higher earning potential. So both play an important role in our society. So which one you are in favor of? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow me for more.
See you in the
in the next
next video.